1,012 articles in English, 389 in Spanish, 155 in French. AI News Social gathered over 5,000 articles this week from 18 countries. After evaluation, we kept 1,557. This is what higher education is saying about artificial intelligence. But here's what stopped us. Across every language, across every continent, AI is being described as both inevitable and precarious. Unstoppable, yet fragile. Determined, yet uncertain. How can something be both? The contradiction map has the tension laid bare. 725 articles on education, and in nearly all of them, the same strange logic. AI integration is framed as historically inevitable, as if it were weather, not a choice. Yet in the same breath, faculty positions are described as precarious, student futures uncertain, institutional budgets volatile. Alvin Toffler warned us about this. The rhetoric of inevitability is how power masks its choices as nature. Who benefits when transformation is framed as unstoppable? The causal attribution visualization traces exactly where credit flows and where blame disappears. 325 articles on social aspects, 303 on AI literacy. And here's the second tension that emerged. AI is simultaneously positioned as the great equalizer and the great divider. Personalization for all, accessibility enhanced, but also digital divides widened, existing inequities amplified. The same technology, described in the same week, as both cure and disease. The perspective clustering shows these viewpoints don't just differ, they exist on separate islands entirely. They're not debating each other. They're not even in the same conversation. 204 articles on AI tools, and nearly everyone positions literacy as the solution. Teach people to use AI, train faculty, upskill students. But here's what's missing, and the silence is deafening. Governance, accountability, institutional responsibility. AI literacy is framed as the human response to technological change, but it's structurally disconnected from any discussion of who sets the rules. Marshall McLuhan would recognize this pattern. We're teaching people to swim while refusing to discuss who controls the water. The semantic space shows literacy floating alone, disconnected from power. 1,557 articles, 4 major categories. But here's what the category flow reveals. These aren't separate conversations. They're the same anxieties, wearing different masks. Education worries about obsolescence. Social aspects worries about inequality. AI literacy worries about competence. AI tools worries about reliability. Beneath all four, the same unspoken question. What happens to human judgment when machines can judge? The thematic network traces these hidden connections. The anxiety is everywhere. The conversation about it, fragmented across silos. This is week 1. 18 countries, 3 languages, 1,557 articles, and 3 paradoxes that won't resolve themselves. The inevitable that feels precarious, the equalizer that divides, the literacy that lacks governance. Every visualization, every article, every silence, waiting for you to explore. AI News Social. The conversation is larger than any single voice, including this one.